Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Social Studies class. Today I am here to revise chapter 13, and today's my topic is political leader. Okay, in this topic today I will explain you about Abraham Lincoln. He was born on 1806 and he died on 1865. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12th February 1809 in a farmer's family in the USA. He worked as a farm laborer and storekeeper. फार्म में जो खेतों में काम करते हैं इस तरह के लेबर थे ये. ही डिड नॉट हैव एनी फॉर्मल स्कूलिंग और किसी भी तरह की फॉर्मल स्कूलिंग इनकी नहीं थी. फाइनली ही टुक अप लॉ एज करियर और लॉ को अपना करियर बनाने में बनाए. ही was elected president in the United States in 1860. Abraham Lincoln was the 60th president of United States और यूनाइटेड स्टेट के 16वें प्रेसिडेंट बने. Before being elected to the presidency, Lincoln was a successful lawyer. प्रेसिडेंट बनने के पहले ये एक सक्सेसफुल लॉयर थे. एन इलिनियस स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर एंड द मेंबर ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव और मेंबर थे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. हिज प्रेसिडेंसी इज प्राइमरली मार्क्ड बाय हिज illustrious success in defeating the secessionist abolition of slavery and neutralizing a war-like situation with a United Kingdom in 1861. His assassination in 1865 was first ever president assassination in the US history, which made him a martyr. Many people were against his generous policies. On the night 14th 1865, when he was returning from a theatre, he was shot dead by the southerner. His death was mourned all over the world और पूरे वर्ल्ड को ये मौन करा दिया था इनका डेथ. नेक्स्ट इज महात्मा गांधी. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar, a town in Gujarat in western India, on 2nd October 1869 in the year 1888. He travelled to England to study law at the University College of London to train as a barrister. बैरिस्टर की पढ़ाई करने के लिए गए थे. He was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, one of the greatest political and spiritual leader of India, who led his country during the non-cooperation movement in 1922, Salt March in 1930, and later quit India in 1942. Known as beloved Bapu in India, he was known as Bapu in India. Mahatma Gandhi adopted the policy of mass disobedience and non-violence resistance as weapon against the British rule in India, and followed by the principle of ahimsa. He deadly followed the principle of ahimsa and truth. However, his struggle did not restrict him to India alone, as he played a key role in the civil rights movement in South Africa. He played a very vital role in South Africa and secured them the right to justice and equality. His birthday movement in South Africa and secured them right to justice and equality. His birthday was on 2nd October. He commemorated as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday as an international non-violence day across the world. Gandhiji was assassinated on 30th January 1948. He was died on 30th January 1948 on the ground of Birla House, New Delhi. न्यू दिल्ली में इनकी डेथ हुई थी 30th January. Okay, next we will discuss about in the next video lecture. Do one thing, students, always read the chapter very carefully and learn exercise also, because learning exercise is also very important, students. So learn it very carefully. Okay.